it's Angelic and I'm here with a new video, and today I'm going to show you guys how I get ready for a show. So first off, I'm going to start off with my primer, foundation, powder, blush, eyeshadow, eyebrows, and then I'm going to finish off with my mascara. So let's get started. So first I like to put this spray. Wow, easy. And then I like to put this cooling water gel on my face, and it feels so good. And then I like to use another primer. I really like to have my face hydrated and, you know, good for when I put my makeup on. Putting my primer on. And so now we are in the second part, which is foundations. I like to use two foundations, and I have a light foundation and a dark foundation. I mix both of them to make the perfect foundation shade. Alright, so now I'm just going to put the foundation on my skin just like that. And then I'm gonna grab a buffing brush and I'm gonna blend it in just like this and add more foundation to get a more full coverage effect. Alright, so now I'm done with my foundation. I'm going to set off my foundation with some powder. This powder is amazing, to be honest, because literally it takes off shine. Alright, so now I'm done with powder and I'm going to go with blush now. I'm in love with blush because I feel like blush just makes you look way healthier. It just puts color into your face, you know? And sometimes I put a lot of blush just so I could look like if I got like a really good tan, because I don't get tans and I don't get like red. So I just put blush all over my face. Alright, so now that I'm done with blush, I'm going to go on with my eyebrows, and this is my favorite part. To start off, I'm brushing my eyebrows up. So I have a dip brow and an angled brush and a spoolie. I'm just grabbing a little tiny bit. And I'm going to just start with the end of my eyebrow and then go under and then trace the under of my eyebrow. Now I'm going to outline the top of my eyebrow. And I'll brush my eyebrow back up, just blending that with my finger. And I'm filling in a little the beginning of my eyebrow. Just like that. And you have one eyebrow done. Now to do the next. And now I'm going to do some eyeshadow. I'm going to be using a really big palette, and I'm just going to be using like really natural tones just to define my crease. These are the colors I'm gonna use. This one and this one. But I'm gonna be really light-handed, so I'm not gonna put too much product. So now I'm done doing the matte. I'm gonna go on with some shimmers, and I'm gonna use like this one and that one. And for brush, I'm gonna be using this flat brush. I'm gonna go in with that shade and this one. And it's gonna look really pretty. And now I'm blending in so it doesn't just look like a cut crease. I gotta do matte under my eyes. I'm gonna go in with this again, and I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's really dark. And so I pull a little my eyelid. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some chapstick on. And this is tinted, so it's like lipstick with chapstick. So you don't need to put like both on. And so now right after chapstick, I'm gonna do some mascara. Look, just look in a matter of 5 seconds. I'm gonna look like a completely different person. And look, to be honest guys, you guys can use any mascara. It's the way you apply it, but it really doesn't matter. My makeup is done. I'm going to do my hair now. Alright, so I'm back. I have my curling iron and a brush. First, I'm going to part my hair in the middle. I'm gonna brush my hair all through just to make sure there's no knots or no anything. Now I'm going to curl my hair. I usually grab a piece like this. I just like to wrap it around the wand. You just gotta wait like 10 seconds. But since my hair is thick and it's curly, it takes longer for me. So now we have our little curl. Yay. And so now we keep doing this to all of our hair forever, never and ever and ever. Alright guys, so this is how I do my hair for shows. Yeah. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my hair and makeup tutorial. Make sure to click the subscribe button down below and also watch my new show with Justice, Angelic in LA. I love you guys. Never stop dreaming.